Hello, I hope my first video helped you out a little bit, but I'm going to go into depth a little bit more about the settings. Anyway, distance from you. I might be repeating, but I just wanted to show you or explain a little bit more about your choices here. You can select somebody in your neighborhood, and let's say we selected 10 miles. 10 miles is a straight line, so it could actually take you 20, 25 minutes to get there if you live in a rural area and it's just local roads. So let me just change mine back to 50. Um, so 50 miles would probably take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, upwards of 2 hours. Man, probably not that much, but anyway. So gender identity, mine's woman. It's the person that you're interested, the gender that you're interested in pursuing. Anyway, age range. Now it has two arrows. You just drop it down and select whatever age range you want, and then you have height preference. You can select this. The defaults are less than 3 feet or more than 7 feet. Anyway, children. You have no preference, have children, don't have children. That's the default, no preference. Then you have religious views. I have no preference. If you're a Christian and have to stick with a Christian because of your religious beliefs, then that's what you would select. Then let's go to general. General, you have Instagram, so you could add your Instagram posts on Facebook. I've seen a couple of ladies do it. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so you have also second look, which is really important. It's probably the most important. If you miss somebody or you selected no thanks for somebody that you should have sent a message to or somebody that you liked, this is what you do. You select the second look, and then what you do is you just hit the back arrow when you actually find that person and send a message or like them or whatever you want to do. But it's pretty much self-explanatory, and the way you get out of it is you come back. Well, you could just close the app and open it up again, and we'll start off fresh, or you could just go backwards, and it will resume where you left off um, with your search for newer women. Anyway, in my case, newer women. Anyway, so you have the notification settings. I think I went through this on the first one. You have privacy settings. So right here, you can actually block people in dating if you want, maybe your ex-husband or ex-wife, whatever the situation is, and you can also suggest friends of friends if you want to join this community. Um, you can take a break if you'd like to. So if you meet somebody, let's click this, and you would just click continue, and then you can take a break. So if you meet somebody that you want to give a shot to, and think maybe you have potential and might work out, that's what you do. Or you can delete the profile, and if whatever you select, what it does is it will ask you if you want to take a break, because if you do delete your profile, you are going to have to create a profile again. So taking a break might not be a bad idea if you're not sure. And then you have safety tips. Women, heed the warning. It's probably not a bad idea to read this. Guys, we have it so much easier, but it's still a good thing to read. Help center. So this is just a Q&A type of thing, and here's the terms, legal terms. So if you have something to hide, you might want to read this. It's actually not that bad, these legal terms. It's not that much. Pretty surprising. And best of all, this is all free. Anyway, take care. Hope this helps somebody, and have a great day. Thank you, and have a nice one.